to the right here, we have a picture of these two graphs. F of x equals negative x squared minus x minus 2 is the downward opening parabola. Minus x minus y equals 3 is this blue linear equation. And I've actually shown that the points of intersection should be at negative 1, 2, and at 1, negative 4. The question is, how do we do that algebraically? So here's the original system. And the easiest way to solve this system is by the substitution method. So this second equation, here it is with the y isolated on the left side. And now we'll take that value for y, negative x minus 3, and substitute it into the equation for the parabola. And here it is. This is a quadratic equation with without a linear factor, actually. After we combine, see that these negative x's cancel out. So we get x squared minus 1 equals 0. At this point, you can choose to use the square root property. Taking the square root of both sides, we get x equals plus or minus the square root of 1, which is x equals 1 or x equals minus 1. We also could have solved this equation here by factoring as a difference of squares, setting each factor equal to 0 gives us the same two results, x equals 1 or x equals minus 1. Now we just take those values, substitute them back in to find out the corresponding y values. So when x is 1, we get negative 1 minus 3 equals negative 4. So that leads to the ordered pair 1 minus 4. Or y equals the opposite of negative 1, minus 3 equals minus 2, which leads to the point negative 1, minus 2, which are the two ordered pairs depicted in this graph. Okay?